welcome back to Cooking with Kaden, and today we're making, drum roll please, French toast! Let's get our ingredients. Bowl, eggs, vanilla, R.I.P. Bowl, eggs, vanilla, cinnamon, milk, spoon thingy. Done. Batter up. Alright! Time to crack our eggs. Add your vanilla. Dash of cinnamon. Now time to add our milk. This is a recipe that you can just eyeball your ingredients. Perfect. We're going to set this aside and grab our griddle. Not touch it. This is hot. Let's prime our griddle. Let's dunk our bread. Yeah! Time to throw and flip. I'm gonna get some things out of the way and grab my powdered sugar and butter. Butter doesn't look too good. One more flip for added measure. I'm gonna put these on the plate and start putting my butter and powdered sugar on them. One might look burnt, it isn't. Time to add the butter and the powdered sugar. Let's get sifting. I like a lot. We need full-on mountains, just like the snowstorm we had. Now it's time to taste test. Carson! Which one do you want? Just let me eat my pretzels. Don't get them. Oh my gosh, someone. Did I not mention I have a broken molar? Yay. Yummy! I like it! That's a wrap. We're on the sugar high. See you in the next one. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We're making batter up. Because the camera saw you.
Take the tip of the knife and
Bread.